This video reveals you top 10 anemia-fighting juices that cure iron deficiency at home. Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any daily healthcare tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. Juices are easy to make and consume, and also good to gain an optimum dose of iron to overcome anemia. Here is a list of 10 healthy juices for anemia that not only provides iron and cures iron deficiency at home, but also treats low hemoglobin level and relieves its symptoms. Spinach and carrot juice is one of the most commonly consumed juice to cure iron deficiency at home and for various other health benefits. Take 3 to 4 carrots and toss in spinach leaves and blend. Extract a glass full of nutrition and drink 2 to 3 glasses in a day to cure anemia fast. Parsley is another veggie that is a rich source of iron and cures iron deficiency. 1 to 2 glasses of parsley juice regularly for a few weeks increase hemoglobin level and cure iron deficiency anemia. It also provides strong antioxidants in a wide range and improves overall health, fitness and looks. A handful of parsley along with juice of 1 lemon and some water provides excellent juice to cure anemia. Brewers yeast with veggie juices is a dependable remedy to cure anemia symptoms. Take 1 beet and 2 carrots and dice these finely, add 1 teaspoon of Brewers yeast and some water to make juice smooth. Run these in a blender for 1 to 2 minutes and get a glass of iron-rich juice. You can also add spinach leaves or parsley leaves for added nutrition. Take 6 to 8 dates and deseed these. Add a glass of milk and dates to a blender and run it for a few minutes. Extract the mixture and consume. Dates are rich sources of iron and glass of milk and dates boost energy level along with hemoglobin. Berries are also good sources of iron. You can make a mix of berry juice by adding blackberries and strawberries to a blender. Add half of the ripe apple with skin on but without seeds. Add some water to thin down consistency and make it easy to gulp. This is one of the 10 healthy juices for anemia. Take 5 bunches of watercress and 4 chopped radishes, 2 tablespoons of crushed spinach leaves and add these to a blender. Run the blender for a few minutes and add some water to make the paste smooth. Run through blender again and extract the juice out. Regular intake of this juice is a reliable way to cure iron deficiency at home. Carrot, spinach and celery juice is another easy way to increase hemoglobin level by curing iron deficiency. Add 3 chopped carrots, 1 chopped stalk of celery and handful of crushed spinach leaves. Run these through a blender and add some water to make it smooth. Consume this glass of juice to treat iron deficiency anemia in a few weeks. Fresh prunes are not only good fruits to eat for gaining iron, but their juice is enriched with iron and other minerals and crucial vitamins. Collect a sufficient amount of prunes and deseed, run these in a blender and consume the juice daily for a few weeks. 2 to 3 glasses of prune juice in a day are excellent ways to cure anemia symptoms and gain optimum vitality and energy. Watermelon may not supplement iron in very doses, but it is recommended as food wheat to cure iron deficiency. Lycopene and beta-carotene present in this fruit boost energy level and helps in iron absorption and cure low hemoglobin level. Just run a sufficient amount of watermelon after removing seeds to get a glass of juice. Along with iron, consumption of watermelon juice improves the quality and speed of results. Pomegranate juice is a rich source of iron and one of the 10 healthy juices for anemia. Simply add seeds of 1 to 2 pomegranates to a blender and extract the juice out. This is tasty and easy to make a glass of juice to treat low hemoglobin level. How to increase hemoglobin naturally. Herboglobin capsules are herbal supplements designed to treat iron deficiency anemia. The nutritive herbs present in these pills are sources of iron and provided in bioavailable form. Bioactive iron gets absorbed in the body smoothly to cure iron deficiency quickly. These pills eliminate symptoms of iron deficiency and promote higher energy and endurance. Digestive herbs cure poor metabolism and also treat slow and low iron absorption in the body. These suppress free radicals that turn nutrition into anti-nutrition and promote deficiencies. Herboglobin capsules improve bone marrow functions to increase the production of RBCs and improve the level of hemoglobin. The positive effects of these pills cure fatigue, improve brain functions, enhance muscular endurance and cure problems like heart palpitation and shortness of breath. These are safe and harmless supplements that can be used without any medical prescription by men and women of any age. Due to purely herbal nature, these supplements can be used as preventive remedies by men and women prone to suffer from iron deficiency or anemia. Buy Herboglobin capsules at naturogain.com. Do you have any health queries or question regarding our herbal products? Leave a comment below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. We are always there to help you. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related videos for more information and health tips.